Welcome to Easy Japan Guide. If you're a foreigner living in Japan, one of the first things you'll need is a Japanese bank account. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to open a bank account in Japan so you can get started with daily life smoothly. To open a bank account in Japan, you'll need your residence card with at least 3 to 4 months validity remaining, your passport, proof of address such as a residency certificate, your phone number, and in some cases, your My Number card or notification letter. A personal seal may also be required, though some banks accept a signature. Some banks are more foreigner-friendly and offer English support, with popular choices including Japan Post Bank, Shinsei Bank, and SMBC Prestia. Japan Post Bank is especially convenient for newcomers and allows you to apply via their smartphone app or at any branch. You can apply online with some banks, but often you'll need to visit a branch. Bring all your documents and be prepared to fill out an application form, as some banks may ask for additional documents like proof of employment or student enrollment. Hand over your documents to the bank staff. They'll check everything and may ask you some simple questions. If you're applying in person, assistance in English may be limited, so consider bringing a Japanese-speaking friend if needed. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your bank card, sometimes immediately, sometimes by mail. You can now use ATMS, set up direct deposit for your salary, and pay bills easily. Not all banks require you to have lived in Japan for 6 months, but some do, so check before you go. If you don't speak Japanese, choose a bank with good English support, and remember that tourists cannot open a bank account. Only residents with a valid visa and residence card can. That's it. Opening a bank account in Japan is a key step to settling in. If you have questions or want to see more guides like this, comment below and subscribe to Easy Japan Guide for more practical tips for life in Japan.